Graph the system of inequalities. Find the coordinates of any vertices formed. We're looking at the system of inequalities. X plus y is greater than or equal to 3, and x minus y is greater than or equal to 5. We begin by graphing each of these inequalities separately and finding the intersection of their graphs. So let's start with x plus y is greater than or equal to 3. This will be a half plane. The boundary will be the line x plus y equals 3. That has a y-intercept and an x-intercept of 3, 0, 3, and 3, 0. So we can draw that line, and we draw it solid because the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. Now, which side of this will we want to shade? Let's use the test point 0, 0. Ask yourself, is 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 3? No, it's not. So we do not want to shade the side containing 0, 0. We want to shade above it. So let's just mark that we're going to shade above that line. Now let's look at this inequality. X minus y is greater than or equal to 5. We start by graphing the equation x minus y equals 5. This has an x-intercept of 5, 0, a y-intercept of 0, negative 5, and we graph the line solid because the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. Again, we have to determine which side of this line we want to shade, and we'll use the test point 0, 0 again. Is 0 minus 0 greater than or equal to 5? Well, no. So we do not shade the side containing 0, 0. We shade the other side. Now you can see that we want to shade below this line, above this line, so the intersection is going to be this section out here. And we could extend the line if we wanted to show that that's actually the graph of the system of inequalities. We're almost done. We're also asked to find the coordinates of any vertices formed. Well, the vertices are the places where the lines intersect, which is this point right here. To find this, we could look at the graph and it looks like the point 4, negative 1. But to find it exactly, we take the equation for this line, the equation for this line, and solve a system of equations. In other words, we solve x plus y equals 3, x minus y equals 5. Adding, we get 2x plus 0 equals 8, or x equals 4. Now, if x is 4, 4 plus negative 1 would be 3, so the y value has to be negative 1. And that is the point that it looked like. So we can label that the point 4, negative 1. That's the coordinates of the vertex.